Hello everyone! Want to supercharge your Duolingo progress and climb the leaderboards faster than ever? In this video, I'll guide you through setting up Duolingo Pro to do all that and more.
First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Tampermonkey and select it from the results. On the Extensions page, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up window. Once installed, a new tab will open. You can close it. Now click the puzzle piece icon in your toolbar to open your extensions and select Manage Extensions. In the Extensions menu, toggle on Developer Mode in the top right corner. Find Tampermonkey and click on Details. Scroll down until you see the Allow User Scripts option and make sure it's enabled. Then turn Tampermonkey off and back on to apply your changes. Next, open a new tab and go to the website duolingopro.net. On the home page, click the Download button. Then, on Greasy Fork, click the Install this script button. You will be taken to the Tampermonkey installation page, where you need to click Install at the top to add Duolingo Pro to Tampermonkey. To use Duolingo Pro, open Duolingo. You'll see the new Duolingo Pro panel on the bottom right. Click Start and then Accept to get started. Let's go to the leaderboards to see it in action. In the panel, click See More. To add XP, type the amount you want, like 100, and click Get. You'll see your XP instantly update on the leaderboard once you refresh. You can do the same for gems. Type in an amount, like 500, click Get, and watch your gem count increase. You can even increase your streak. To increase your limits, click the Boost button. This will open a new tab where you can watch ads to increase your XP or gem limits for a few hours. After the ad finishes and processes, you'll receive your boosted limit. To use the boosted limit, go back to Duolingo and request the boost you have gotten. Don't forget to refresh the page to see the results. And there you have it. You've now successfully installed Duolingo Pro, and you're all set to boost your XP, add gems, increase streak, and much more. If this guide was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you all next time.